Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are with Victoria. So remember, all you need to do is just hit subscribe to tune in to plenty more videos that are coming your way. So today is another video just looking at some different mascaras. So I've already done a video for you on the fibre lashes and I've actually applied the fibre lashes by Younique on my right eye to start with today, and then I'm going to use one of their other mascaras on my other eye just so we can see the comparison between the two. This particular mascara, I'm just going to hold it up, is the Epic Mascara. So I'll just hold that up to you. I'm just going to take that out as well. Let's have a little look at the brush. So when I first opened this, I thought, oh, do you know what, it's quite a basic brush. It's not anything particularly special about that brush compared to some of your other mascaras that you might use. But I've actually been using this one for a couple of weeks and I really like it. Goes on really well, it really lifts the lashes. It doesn't take as much time as the fibre lash one. So for me, this is probably more of my one I would go for the daytime, and then the fibre one I would use more of an evening. And alongside this, I also brought some lash serum because, again, I'll just hold that up for you, like so. I've just got a normal wand and it's just like a clear serum that you can pop on before you put your mascara on. And you can use it at night time as well, and this is going to just help improve your lash growth, because again, if you've got someone like me who's had lash extensions on, your lashes can feel really short, a little bit weak after lash extensions as well, especially if you've had them on for a long period of time. I've tried plenty of other lash serums as well, and you'll see on my channel that I have done some other ones as well, but this is a new one, so I thought let's give it a go. So I'm just in the process of trying this out, so I'll let you long term know how I get on with this. The only thing I would find with this is be careful you don't put too much on at one time, because the first time I used it I had a little bit too much on my brush, so I coated it on the lashes, but then it made my eye water quite a lot, but it was just through fault of mine that I had too much on. So just be careful from that side of things. So that's your serum that you can use if you want to. So let's go back to our lashes. So as I said, on my right eye, if I just come in for you, if I just twist I've got the fibre lashes. On this one, I've got nothing. So I'm just going to start by curling my lashes. Again, I've just started using this curler, as I've mentioned before. This is my Charlotte Tilbury one. I just find it just lifts the lashes just a little bit. You don't have to like pull it up or push it down, just literally go straight in, hold it, and then release. Don't do it though when you've got mascara on, because you'll find it pulls and you can pull some of the lashes out. So I just make sure I've got no makeup on that eye. So all I'm going to do is just start by simply applying this. Now what I find is I really have to build up the layers still with this, but obviously it's just a slightly easier process than the fibre one, because it's just one product. So all I'm going to do is just really lift it. Now what I like about this is, although it's a simple brush, it's really good at like opening the lashes up, lifting them up, and it's waterproof as well. So I've been swimming with this one, and as I've got 3 boys, the chance of me actually getting in the pool and not getting my face wet are very slim. So again, when I've had lash extensions on, it's never really worried me about going swimming and ending up with my mascara halfway down my face, because you don't have that worry. But some mascaras, I used a Charlotte Tilbury one before, and now you know I'm a huge fan of Charlotte Tilbury, and I love the mascara when I put it on, but as soon as my eyes started to water, or I got like any water near them, it just started going everywhere, all over my face. So I decided not to wear that one swimming anymore. So I tried this one, and this one just didn't budge. So definitely a plus point on there. And you can see, if I just turn again, lengthwise, it's giving me just as much length. But all I would say is, and I do this to be honest with any mascaras, I have to keep building it up. But that's mainly because my lashes are short. If you're blessed with lovely long lashes, I would imagine this mascara would be perfect for a quick, like in the morning, quick fix, and you're ready to go. I find this one feels more comfortable on my eye than the fibre ones, because sometimes with the fibre one, you get those little bits of drop down and they go into your eye and it can just feel a little bit itchy, which is not what we want. So I'm just putting it onto my bottom lashes as well. And again, you can see when you go back and sort of recoat it again, I find it really gives that extra length. So I kind of give it a wiggle. And don't be frightened of using your brush at a different angle as well. So I tend to like come in here and use the tip of my brush as well. But you'll all put your own mascara on different ways. What I've learned over the years of doing it is there isn't a wrong or right way. It's just whatever works for you. Now, because this is a waterproof, I've also found when I come to take it off, because it doesn't go all over your face, it's great. But when you come to take it off, it does take just a little bit more of your remover, and preferably an oily remover, just to get rid of it. Obviously, normally we always talk about using non-oil based removers, especially if you've got extensions and things on. But if it's waterproof, it is a little bit harder just to get rid of. So you can see how much that's building from what I had before, literally little stumps of nothing. And then I kind of just flick my eye down onto it. And you can keep building it as much or as little as you want. So if you can see, there's not that much difference. The only thing I would say between the two is the fibre one just gives that little bit more length, and this just gives that slight fullness of the colour. But lengthwise, if I turn my head, they pretty much look the same. Out of the two, the Epic one, which I've just put on this eye, feels more comfortable. And as I said, you can just keep building it and building it. The only thing I would say is don't let it dry too much before you do your second or third layer, just to open it up. So let me just show you that one again. I'll just hold that up to the camera. So that's your Epic one. So again, when you first look at it, it just looks like a normal brush, but it's got really tiny little bristles in it, so it's perfect for getting into those corners. And if you have got very short lashes like myself, then this is definitely one to try. So give this one a go, compare the two, see which one works for you. From wearing them both, especially like today, I would say the fibre one is more my evening one, where I can spend time just building it up, and the Epic one would be more my go-to everyday kind of, or if I'm going swimming with the kids, then this is brilliant because it's waterproof. I haven't tried the fibre one yet in the pool, so we will see. And as I said, we'll do another video with the removals to see how that goes and see how easy they are removed. So remember, you've been with Victoria, pals. Keep tuned in, hit subscribe, and I will look forward to seeing you back very soon. See you soon.